Back guiding bolt fans, we did a quick little bathroom upgrade over the weekend, just replacing some grout between our tiles. We had some grout that was actually coming up in chunks, and it was kind of making it look bad in our bathroom. So we went online and found this product on Amazon. This came in a 2-pack, and it was pretty easy to use. It also came with a little squeegee tool to help you push it into the cracks. So here's our before picture. You can see it's just a little dingy, and you can't really see the cracks in this one, but I've got a better photo coming up where you can see the actual cracks in our tile or in our grout like this, where it was coming out in chunks. So we went through and I dug it out with a little tool and used our vacuum to suck up any loose pieces before we put any of this grout product in. Here's another real small little, this was a couple areas that we had that were similar to this. So we taped it off and got ready to apply the product. You do not want to get this on the actual tile. It's kind of a pain to wipe off if you do. So it was suggested that you tape off all of the actual tile and just have the grout exposed so that you can push it down into these cracks. I went through and did long ways across the way that our tile is laid. And then after this, I pulled up the tape and went back in and did the opposite direction on the grout. So overall, I think it worked pretty well. I will say I did get some on the tiles just from, removing the tape and whatnot, and it was a pain in the butt to get off the tiles. So do not get it on the tile if you can help it. Again, here's a little quick before and after. I would recommend this product. I think overall it looks great afterwards. And it just took about a weekend to do, and it really filled in those cracks, which was what we were mostly concerned about. And we're hoping we can get a few more years out of this flooring without having to replace it now. So we are happy with this, and I hope you guys are too. If you want to try it, if you have any questions, you can always drop them below. As always, thanks so much for watching.